There's a reason so many creators trust Canon. Besides the signature look and feel, the brand is synonymous with quality and reliability. But with their mirrorless lineup getting so powerful, which one is right for your setup? In this video, we're breaking down their top 5 mirrorless cameras for every budget and skill level to help you find the answer. All the links are waiting in the description. Let's head right in. We begin our list with the Canon EOS R10. Think of this as the perfect starting point. If you're just getting serious about photography or video and want a camera that's light on budget, easy to use, but still delivers amazing quality, this is one to look at. At its core, you have a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor paired with a Digic 8 processor. But here's what really stands out: the autofocus. It uses Canon's celebrated dual-pixel CMOS-AF system, which can cover up to 143 zones. That means it's incredibly quick at locking onto subjects, and it even has reliable eye, face, animal, and vehicle detection. For shooting action, it offers up to 6.5 frames per second, and when you look through the viewfinder, you're getting a crisp 2.36 million dot OLED display. On the video side, you can shoot 4K at 24 FPS. It is important to know this 4K footage is cropped, which narrows your field of view. You also get full HD at a smooth 60 FPS, and even HD at 120 FPS for slow motion effects. Now, there are a few trade-offs. The camera doesn't have in-body stabilization, relying on the lens instead, and there's no microphone jack, which is key for serious audio work. So, who is this for? Well, it's a fantastic fit for hobbyists, entry-level vloggers, and street photographers, and anyone who wants pro-level image quality in a small and travel-friendly package. Coming in at number 4 is the Canon EOS R10, especially when paired with the versatile 18-150mm lens. This kit is a huge step up, designed for hybrid shooters who are serious about both photography and video. Here's what makes it so powerful. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, but the real engine is the Digic X processor. That's the same tech found in some of Canon's more advanced cameras. This processor unlocks incredible speed. You can shoot at a blistering 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, or up to 23 FPS with the electronic one. The autofocus is also a major upgrade. It uses dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which provides excellent tracking for eyes, animals, and even vehicles. It's remarkably good at keeping fast-moving subjects sharp. For video creators, the R10 offers fantastic flexibility. You get a stunning, oversampled 4K at 30 FPS. What that means is the camera uses the full sensor readout to produce an incredibly crisp and detailed image. You can also shoot cropped 4K at 60 FPS for smoother motion, or full HD at 120 FPS for silky slow motion sequences. And the vari-angle touchscreen is perfect for vlogging and creative framing. The included 18-150mm lens really completes the package, giving you a huge zoom range that's great for everything from wide landscapes to tight portraits. What this all boils down to is a single kit that gives you a massive amount of creative flexibility. It's an ideal setup for the hybrid shooter who wants to tackle just about anything without needing a bag full of gear. Next, we have the Canon EOS R8, specifically in the Content Creator Kit. Now, this is a big deal because it's our first full-frame camera on the list. For those who aren't familiar, a full-frame sensor is physically larger, which generally means better performance in low light and a more professional look. The R8 packs a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor and the powerful Digic X processor. This combination unlocks some serious speed. To be more specific, it can shoot stills at up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. That's incredibly fast. The autofocus is also top tier, with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covering over 1,000 zones and using deep learning to track subjects. But the video features are where this kit really shines. You get uncropped 6K oversampled 4K video at 60 FPS. In simple terms, that means exceptionally sharp cinematic footage. You can also capture super slow motion with full HD at 180 FPS. And for serious creators, it includes Canon Log 3 for maximum flexibility and color grading. The kit itself is built for vlogging. It comes with a compact RF 24-50mm lens, a Canon stereo microphone, and a tripod grip with a wireless remote. So truly, it's an all-in-one solution for anyone wanting to create high-quality content right out of the box. And then, we have a camera that's a true powerhouse for almost any situation, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. This is where we step firmly into the world of professional hybrid shooting, and this camera truly delivers on all fronts. It's built around a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor and the Digic X processor. Here's where things get really impressive. impressive. It can fire off shots at a staggering 40 frames per second with its electronic shutter, or a very respectable 12 FPS with the mechanical one. That's an incredible tool for capturing fast-moving action. But speed is nothing without focus, and the autofocus here is exceptionally intelligent. It uses Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with 1053 AF zones. The deep learning subject detection can not only track people and animals, but also things like aircraft, trains, and horses. Another standout feature is the in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. This system can provide up to 7 stops of stabilization. In simple terms, that means you can get remarkably smooth handheld video and sharp photos, even when shooting in lower light without a tripod. On the video side, it's just as impressive. You get uncropped 6K oversampled 4K video at 60 FPS, along with professional tools like Canon Log 3 for color grading, and even focus breathing compensation. Paired with the versatile RF-24 to 105mm lens, this kit is perfect for wedding and event shooters, filmmakers, and any creator who demands top-tier performance. And now, we've arrived at number 1. The camera that sits at the very top of the list is the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, designed for professionals and creators who demand the absolute best without compromise. At its heart is a groundbreaking 45-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. Now, that word stacked is incredibly important. In simple words, this allows it to capture immense detail at high frame rates, which is a massive advantage for both photos and video. It's powered by the Digic X processor, enabling it to shoot stills at up to 30 frames per second. But the autofocus is where things feel like they're from the future. It introduces eye control AF. That means you can literally select your focus point just by looking at your subject through the viewfinder. This works alongside an advanced AI-powered subject tracking system that is built to lock onto action. For filmmakers, this is an absolute dream. It records stunning 8K raw video internally at up to 60 FPS, and it can also shoot 4K at a buttery smooth 120 FPS for high-resolution slow motion. To keep all of that footage steady, the in-body stabilization offers up to 8.5 stops of correction. That is so effective, it makes handheld shooting look incredibly stable. The kit often includes the professional RF-24 to 105mm f4L lens, which delivers sharp optics and a constant aperture through the zoom. So all in all, this camera is quite a statement. It's for the pro photographer, the serious filmmaker, and the hybrid creator who needs uncompromising quality and speed in one weather-sealed, durable package. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at FlexiViews.